ひーばくんのくしゃみ。
Snowy holiday morning. It was present time. Joe's present was his duck blanket, which he loved very much. Slippery Soap got a bubble wand, and that's when he blew his first bubble. Tickety Tock got her
真っ
first
赤だね。
love, which
かゆ
she
いだろうね。
loved to count.
気持ちよさそう。
Shovel and
こ
Pail
こ
got
こ
their
にだ。
first toy animal.
どうした気持ち悪い
And scientists
おお